If you want to find bulk emails for your next B2B project, but you don't know where to start, this video will change everything. Today, I will show you exactly how I use Scrap.io to collect bulk verified emails fast without coding and without wasting hours manually searching. Hey there, it's Sapek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I create video about B2B lead generation, how to scrape leads without any coding, and finding verified emails with simple tools. If that's something you want, hit subscribe. Alright guys, let's jump in. Scrapper.io is a B2B email finder tool that helps you find professional emails from LinkedIn, website and company domain. What makes it powerful is its accuracy and bulk search feature. So if you are trying to build targeted contact list for outreach, marketing or client project, this is a tool you need to know. So guys, at first go to your Chrome browser and search Scrapper.io Chrome extension, then click enter. Then you just visit this URL, Scrapper.io email finder Chrome web store. Click this link. Can you see guys, this is the Scrapper.io email finder extension. You can just edit Chrome. I already added this Chrome extension to my computer, that's why I don't edit again this extension. After added Scrapper.io extension, you can just create sign up account. After added this extension, you can simply this extension icon and you find your Scrapper.io email finder extension and just pin this icon. Click pin. Your extension show this Chrome menu bar. Now we visit our LinkedIn profile. Now you can search anything, whatever you want to find. Let I search founder. Click enter. Let people. Now we added location United States. Click show result. If you want, you can choose any location, whatever you want. Yes, if you want, you can edit others filters, whatever you want. I already explained everything of LinkedIn filters my previous video. So that's why right now I don't show you again LinkedIn filters. Now we click our Scrapper extension icon. If we have not used this account before, they provide 100 credit free plan. I already use 19 credit. This first page 10 people, they are already selected. If you want, you can choose others page people. Suppose I choose 4 page. Edit your list. Suppose I write founder. Then click enrich. So Scrapper.io automatic scrape data from LinkedIn. We can see page 2. Now they scrape page 3. Now they scrape page 4. And finally they found 29 profile saved, 29 email. You can just click your name, what you previously saved. We find 29 email. Guys, they show you 48 result because previously I already worked this count and this time I search another people and I don't delete this data. That's why they show you 48 result. We can see people name, company, email address, email status, job role, location. Now if you want, you can export all data. Just click export list. They show you what you want to export: valid, casual, invalid, unknown, email not found. I don't export those data who they don't find email, so we don't click this one. You can export CSV or export Excel. If you want, you can export CSV file or Excel file. Right now I choose export CSV. So click this one. Your list file is now available for download. You can just download this file, or if you want, you can open your export file. We just download our file. Our file is already downloaded. So click. So guys, we find our list that we downloaded from Scrapper.io tool. First column they show you name. The second column they show you first name, and third column is last name. If you want, you can remove this column. We just delete this column because we don't need name, because they show you already first name and last name. And this column is the email address. This is the email status, valid or invalid. This column is title. This column is a LinkedIn URL. This column is location. We don't need this column, so we simply delete this column. We don't need profile picture. If your client need, you can edit it, but I think it's not necessary, so just delete. This column is company name. This is a company domain. This is the company website. So basically company domain and company website are the same, so we don't need company domain. We just delete this column, so we need company website. This column is company employee count. Also this column is company employee count range. Both are the same, so we don't need this column. We just delete. This column they show you company founded. This column they show you company industry. This column they show you company type. This column company headquarter. This column company revenue range. This column company LinkedIn URL, company campaigns URL. So others column data are unnecessary, so we just delete those one. Click delete. So guys, we find first name, last name, email email status, title, LinkedIn URL, location, company name, company website, company founded, industry type, headquarter, company revenue range, company LinkedIn URL. So we just missing one data. This data is phone number. Scrapper.io don't provide phone number. I hope you can easily understand how to find phone number from LinkedIn because I already showed you many videos of my channel previously. So I hope now you can easily do it how to find phone number from LinkedIn. Scrapper.io is one of the easiest tool for finding bulk emails without coding. If you are doing B2B lead generation, this tool will save you time and help you deliver better result for clients. If you want to full advanced LinkedIn B2B lead generation tutorial, check out my other video on the channel. And if you found value in this video, hit a like, subscribe and comment what tool I should review next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.